He got them in check. He got them in check.
I know a couple of
He
them.
got them in check. That's right. Yo, what up, 3 God? That was a nice. Y'all just made that shit up on the spot?
Where you
But
been?
anyway,
Nigga, I got hit music. I'm just not for sale. I got hit music. I'm just not for sale.
I could dig
Nigga,
it.
I'm
Y'all right.
rich beyond measures. That song right there, hit song. That hit
Y'all
song.
talented. But we got
Hit song. I will never sell it.
we gotta get
I will never sell it. I'm a millionaire, trillionaire. I will never sell that song to Nicki Minaj and them niggas that want it. I got more than that. I got other songs. I got hits on top of hits. I'm just not for sale. I own the master because I am the master. Bitch.
yo 3 God. A lot of
Yeah.
people been hitting me up, wanted to get this information. I was new to the information when it was brought to me. You had somebody at your house that's no longer there no more. Something happened. Would you like to elaborate on that or answer to the people?
I know a few fuck bitches I got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. Know a few fuck niggas I got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. I know a few snitches. I know a few fucking snitches I got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. I know a few snitch bitches I got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. I know a few snitch niggas I got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. Feed them to the rats. Feed them to the rats. That's what we're gonna say. Feed them to the rats. I know a few snitch niggas I got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. I know a few snitch bitches I got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. To the rats. Bitches I got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. To the rats. Niggas I got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. To the rats. Bitches I got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. I know real bitch niggas I got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. I know the real snitch bitches I got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. I know the real snitch niggas I got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. I know the real snitch bitches I got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. I know the real snitch niggas I got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. I know the real snitch bitches I got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. I know the real snitch niggas I got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. Got to get rid of. Take on. Bye-bye. They gone. Oh, that's some. Oh, I know a couple of them. 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 Purse, 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 purse. couple of them. I know a 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 couple of them. Hey. Three.
Pew pew.
Thank. I heard there was a transsexual, and the transsexual just left. I try to get the answer, but he answers with songs. Pink Love. Come up here if you want. The boxes is open. I asked him what happened to that person that was just in his house. And he stated, gotta get rid of a nigga, gotta get rid of a bitch, and turned it into a song. Feel to connect, but I cannot. I'm trying to add people up. In this mode, what mode is it? Or disconnect? Damn, I won that PK.
What's up with them people, man?
What's good, man?
Ethan put the cloak on and he disappeared. It works. It really
He
works.
disappeared after he lost, huh?
Rip rating was. No, he just smacked the fuck out one of them girls. If you was paying attention,
He just one of them girls.
yeah, if you was just paying attention when the phone started, what you call him, you could hear it. Like he smacked one of the girls and all the girls started moving like back.
So he just smacked the girl. I could have, because the camera was moving too.
Yeah, because basically when he did it, the camera started messing up and the girl started running to like one area.
But
But you could
he just said,
hear it.
don't put your hands on a woman. He just said it less than 20.
Yeah, but man, he just smacked the shit out one of them girls.
Now you know he abused them girls, Polly.
Like for real. I heard it. I was like, ass.
You hear a woman scream. So did the
Like
and
you know, you can
what
see in the camera like they all started like running back, like to one side. Then the boys started like coming up, the men started like coming up more to the camera because the phone started, it had messed up if you was paying attention to it.
yo, he smacked the light skinned girl for dropping.
Yeah, I was paying attention. I'm telling you, he just smacked the shit out of one of them girls, man.
Did you see the way he did the girl the other night? He did the same thing.
This is crazy.
Yes, it
What's
is.
crazy?
That is crazy.
Nature boy, you gotta do better, man. 3 guard. Come on. I thought that was the act. I thought it was like, he doing it to entertain people.
How is he entertaining, Polly? And then he come out there in his underwear. That boy's crazy.
What's up, man? That shit that throwed off, bro. I'm like, damn, is this a movie? Is this just scripted? God damn me, they
All right, Polly,
choreography and
I'ma
shit.
step down. Good seeing you, man.
All right.
What's good with you though?
Yo, what up?
Yo, chilling, chilling. What's poppin'?
Shit, bro. Crazy. What up?
Yeah, dog. I already know who you are, Polygal, but let me explain the situation carefully, dog. Ain't nobody gonna touch that nigga because he part of the Illuminati. It's that easy. All the FBI, all the police, whatever, ain't gonna touch him either just because of the Illuminati and his influence inside the Illuminati. If y'all don't understand what the three means is a symbol for Illuminati. Everything he's doing is part of the humiliation ritual. That's two. 3, doesn't matter what girl he smacked, what he fucked. Don't worry about the tranny. She either dead or left. It really don't matter.